Hi, it's Laura here at the Charleston Holistic Center. And today we're going to talk about you can't save everybody. So, especially those who don't want to be saved. So, my husband and I were having a discussion this morning, and he was talking about the fact that many of us who um, are liberals are very do gooders. We try to help everybody. We want everybody to do better, and the problem is that a lot of people don't want better. They really don't. So helping them isn't going to happen. Um, it's kind of like if you've ever worked with with an addict of any variety. Until they want the help, there's nothing that can be done. And that's where we are right now. That's literally where we are. There's a whole segment who, of society that does not actually want better. They think they do, but the better isn't actually better. It's just hate. Um, and so those of us who know that, we can't help them. We can only help ourselves. So we've talked about a split before. This is really going to hasten that. Those of you who are listening to me, who even follow this channel occasionally, you're the people who want better. And we have to band together and stand with each other. And those who don't want the help, we can't give it to them. They don't want it. But we can help each other. We can stand strong for each other. We can help each other rise. We can help each other level up. We can help each other improve. Those who want to go backwards, those who want to get left behind, can't do anything for them. And unfortunately, some of those people may be your family members. They may be your really close friends. But we have to stand up and stand together and be together and create our better new reality. We can't have everybody. It just doesn't work. It makes me really sad. But it just doesn't work. Just saying. If you like the video, please do like. Please do subscribe. Tell friends, family, coworkers, whoever who might need to hear this message right now. Please do share. Thank you and namaste.